What is going on, everybody? Alex Avalos, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. It's weekly trades overview number 14. What this is basically it's a series of where I give out a few alerts separate from my members program that you guys can take if you want. Every week, I'll throw about 1 to 3 trades, and this is how the catch up of how the trades went, everything like that. So this week we took Dow Jones, gold, and oil. I threw these out. These were great trades this week. Let's go over them. The first one, US 30. So we caught this at 34,600. Currently, it's at 35,000. So let me just tell you what happened with Dow Jones. Basically, everything was going great. We got in Monday, closed it on Thursday for over 1,000 pip gain. Made I think like $6,000 or something like that on Dow Jones, and then it sold off today. At the end of yesterday, it closed. It dropped over 500 points. Steady today. Same thing too with NFPs being today, and I could definitely see Dow Jones starting to head back down to like 34 or 5 and start respecting that level a lot more. We could just see on the chart the lagging span indicating down. Bearish hammer right here. Little to no cloud. Price is respecting the 9-day. Pretty big disequilibrium between moving averages. Not really much from price on the monthly. Let's check it. So yeah, price really respects 9-day. If it comes down to the 26-day, it kind of rejects off of it pretty quickly. Let's see. Price right next to each other, no disequilibrium there. Nice moving average. Let's see, the clouds kind of separate far away, so that indicating there could be some strength, but it also could fall. And let's get really into the nitty gritty about this week. We started with 31st right here, 34,700. When it did dip down to 34.5, we caught it at 34.6. We rode it all the way. Let me just get this out. We rode it from down here all the way up to here. This was us. We sold off yesterday, and now we're sitting. So we basically bought and sold this 2 times this week, and it played out great. So US 30, this was a great trade. We took it at 34.6. It was going to take profit at 36,000, but it only came up to 35.7. Still great. And then it sold off sharply at the end of close yesterday. So we did make money on that one too. The next one is gold. All right, so gold was a little bit tricky. We were playing it from 1793 to 1750. I thought gold was supposed to just completely tank this week. It held strong, slight gains, slight losses, but we did make money on this overall. So Monday we got in, 1793 is what we saw it. We didn't get in. Tuesday still bounced around the same level, pulls back up to 1800. Still didn't get in. Wednesday is when we got in. So let's just go over the chart real quick. Spinning top right here. Take that off. Spinning top right here. Pretty far away from the cloud, indicating more support. Trading above the cloud, lagging span out, no price disequilibrium, slight moving average disequilibrium. This is on the monthly. Now, when we see it, it's just been trading sideways for the past month and a half. No, year. Wow, that's 2020. I didn't even see that. But we're trading in the cloud right now. I thought that we were going to fail the support breakout right beneath the cloud at 1788 and then hit down lower to 1776 and work its way down to 1750, but it did not happen like that. So what it did do is when we did get in on Wednesday, we saw it Monday bouncing around 1788, 1790. See it's on the rise, and we were going to sell it. And so we got in at the high at 1811. Sold off sharply the next day on Thursday to 1788. I closed at 1792 or 3 and only made like 400-ish, 500-ish off of a .8 lot size. So still pretty good, but that was gold. And so we'll still be looking for trades on this one. I don't know if I will be bearish on it now. I would say I probably would. It's just gotta price has to show some movement before I can even make another decision because it was supposed to drop and it didn't drop. But we still made money. Now oil was a fucking gold mine for us this week. So let's go over oil. We were going to be taking it from 87.5 to 93. We got in at 87.5 and we took profit at 93. I closed earlier this morning. So yeah, let's just go over it. Monthly time frame. Really strong bullish candle. Price pretty far away from this cloud right here. The cloud doesn't have too much support, but it is pushing strong right now. Trading above the cloud, lagging span broke out. Pretty big price average disequilibrium and moving average disequilibrium. So indicating price does have to come down, but it'll find support around 90 before it makes its push to maybe like 95, 96 before ideally coming up to 100 a barrel. Super strong candle on the month, on the weekly. No wicks at the top, just at the bottom from sell at 86.3. Remember, we got in at 87.5, lagging span, trading above. The cloud broke out. Now, what's interesting here is we could see a Kumo twist, and this is where price would respect around $90 a barrel. Could be even 91. Now, we get into the nitty gritty on this week. This is probably 31st out. Right here, 87.5, so right around here. And this is how it played out. 31st. This is us. This is great this week. Oil, I believe it was over $3,000. I think this week was over about 9,000 in total, or pretty close, like 87, 88. So oil, we still have our price target for 100 a barrel, but this week for it to go up $6, it was great, and we got it. So this was a great week in the market. Price prediction number 8 or 9 will be coming out tomorrow. Getting this one uploaded today. So weekly trades overview number 14. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'm out.